First, we'll open the glove box. On the right side, you would see there is that damper that needs to be pulled out. What we'll have to do is grab and then pull it outwards. There it is, it's pulled out. Now we will just push it a little inside, just like that, so that it's not holding on to the glove box while we are putting it down. Now notice this glove box has 2 points here, one right here and the other one right there. Notice here what we will do is lift that tab upwards like that and push the glove box down. Same for the other side, we will lift up that tab, then push the glove box down. Just like that, both the tabs are pulled down and the glove box is also slided down. Notice this is behind the glove box right there, and we have to take out this cover. This cover actually has 3 tabs, 1, 2, and then the third one on the corner. What we have to do is press these tabs down like that. That's 1, 2. There it is. Just like that, we were able to pull out this cover. Behind this cover is where the cabin filter is. We'll just grab the filter and then pull it outwards. And that is how we take out the cabin air filter for this vehicle. In my case, the filter looks good and it has some 1000 more kilometers left, and it's not the time for me to change it right now. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure there is an arrow sign at the front. That arrow is pointing towards downwards while installing it back. Now we will go ahead and install this filter back. I always punch in the left portion first, and once the left portion is in, then I punch in the right side and then push the filter all the way down. There it is, it seems all the way in. Once the filter is completely in, only then we will go ahead and punch this plastic cover. Make sure to install the bottom portion first. It has 3 tabs at the bottom, so we make sure all these tabs are completely in. Just like that, you notice all these tabs are completely in. Once these tabs are in, then we will give it a push from the top side and you will hear some clicking sounds coming out. There's the cover completely in. Now we will put back the glove box where we took it out from. We'll go ahead and lift up the glove box. Now notice both sides tab portions of it. What you have to do is just lift it upside and it should completely go in. Just like that, that is in. Again, we will come back on that damper side. What we will do is pull the damper outwards first, just like that. And then we will push it in that spot right there. There it is. Once that damper is in place, now we are good to close the glove box. That wraps up the replacement for cabin air filter. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.